It was 7 o'clock in the morning. John was still sleeping when suddenly his mother called him. "Wake up, John. You have to go to school." John opened his eyes and said, "I don't want to go to school. There are at least 20 people that don't like me." Then he went back to sleep. His mother went back to the kitchen and continued to prepare breakfast. After half an hour, she realized that John didn't get up yet, so she went back to wake him up again. She took the cover off and said, "Wake up, son. You are going to be late for school." John replied, "I told you, Mom, I don't want to go to school. Can you give me one reason why I should go today?" The mother replied, "I'm going to give you two reasons. The first reason is you are 45 years old. The second reason is you are the president of the school." Now let me ask you, does this story sound familiar? In one of the articles in Reader's Digest, it mentioned that one person out of two people don't like their job. Can you believe that? One out of every two people wish that they work something else other than their current job. So let me ask you, what are the main keys to success? What are the habits that distinguish successful people from the unsuccessful? How can you become effective in your life so you achieve success? In this course, we're going to talk about all of these main keys that will lead you to a successful life.